Hey guys, welcome back to New Generation Welding. And today's video is gonna be about this aluminum repair that came in, and that some company gave it to me to repair. It's kind of like a resistant welding fixture they use, and apparently the wire sits here all the way across. And I guess he just wore out, so they want me to rebuild. Just fill it up, and they're gonna machine it back to what they need it for. And I was looking around, and I see what one of the guys was trying to weld this thing up, and you can see his weld right here. So they're kind of scared for him to try to fill this up, because they were scared he was just gonna burn the other corner off of right here, just chop it off. So they brought this to me. They brought me two, or they did one, and we're probably gonna try to see if we can make these welds, make them look a little bit better. Just look embarrassing. They might think I'm the one that welded this. But we're gonna pretty much prep this, clean it with acetone, or try to hit it with the wire brush. And then the plan is to first try to just heat the part out, let the clean action clean all this stuff off first before I add any filler rod. Try to let all this stuff to melt, to make sure it just races to the top all the contaminants. I'm just gonna let the arc, wander around for a little bit to everything melted, and let the clean action do its work. And then after everything is clean, then I'm gonna start adding the filler rod and start building it up. It's not a big deal, but you might, if you don't let the clean action do everything, you might get porosity in the middle, or some air holes that it might show up when they try to machine this. So stay with me, and we'll show you guys how we get this thing done. So here it is, guys. I just prepped this one. It has three of them. I just prepped one. I cleaned it with acetone, and I filed it down, most of the contamination that I seen, and all the oil and grease. And then we're gonna do one with this one. We're gonna do this one without any. We're gonna do one of these without any prep, and no cleaning or nothing. And just to show you guys how to clean, if you give the clean action time, it would do an amazing job that you can avoid the step of going and cleaning. Second operation of just cleaning. Alright, stay with me. one that I didn't do any prep on it. So it's just dirty the way I came in. So we're just gonna let the cleaning action do all the work. So here it is, guys. Here's the one that I prepped. That I took the acetone and I took a file and wire brush and Scotch-Brite to clean everything on top. That's how it looks. And here's the other one where I didn't do anything to it. Basically, I just let the the cleaning action clean everything before I welded it. And once I knew all the contamination was gone, then I start dipping my rod in. and pretty much doesn't make a difference. And here's this one, and here's the other one. I mean, the other one looks even shinier. And then I was trying to weld here, even though see how dirty everything is. So it all goes to like, yeah, all the cleaning and all that, get all the contaminations. But I welded aluminum for a company for, I don't know, like 7-8 years. That's all we did. 90% of the product there was aluminum. And there was no time there for us to clean, to grab acetone and clean every single part of aluminum. We just welded it the way they came in. Some parts where they had really bad oil, we wiped them, but it was rare. We just grabbed the piece and basically we just went at it. So all the cleaning, all the wire brushing, they talk about. Yeah, it is the proper way of doing it, but I mean, we never had any defects, and most of the product got ground down, so we would have seen that there was any porosity in there, and there was barely anything came back, with porosity or contamination. So as soon as you let the clean action do its job, I don't think you have nothing to worry about, but you just gotta get the clean action working first before you can start dipping your rod, So I just want to show you guys this, and it's aluminum kind of tip that, I don't spend that much time cleaning my stuff when I'm doing aluminum. I just basically let the clean action do its job. Like even for this, is kind of thicker. It's like a 3/16 material, and this is solid. I'm using 1/16 tungsten, 2% serrated, and I was doing 180 amps welding, and it was holding up. My balance was around 80% clean, and 20% cleaning. So I weld basically everything with 1/16. I can weld 1/4 inch aluminum with the 1/16 tungsten, 2% serrated. Even people doesn't believe it. I'll have a video show you guys that, and I will keep my tip still with the pointed tip on it. I don't know, it's hard to tell how people, I use 2% serrated for all aluminum. I used to love using the orange ones, but they discontinued the orange one, but the orange one was the best one since I ever used for aluminum. Especially if you're doing like really thin sheet metal to keep sheet aluminum, to keep your tungsten sharp, try to do it with the green tungsten. Try to weld some 40,000, 30,000 aluminums with the green tungsten, compared to 2% serrated. So this is it, guys. This was new generation welding, and hope you guys enjoy this video, and leave any comments, or any, if you guys think there's other better ways of doing it. I'm always open to learn new things, and or any new ideas that I don't know. Thank you guys for watching.